Today I'm going to teach you how to convert pixels to EM or EM. You can head on to pixelsconverter.com and click on PX to M here. So this is actually a converter, PX to EM converter, where you can type in your uh, PX you want to convert. For example, 100 PX, that will be 6.25 M. And then 250 PX would be 15.625 M. So how do we actually do that? What is the logic behind the conversion of this? First is we want to know what is the difference between PX and EM. So PX, I know you already familiar with this. It's an absolute measurement. So if this is, for example, this is 18px, this will be 18px on tablet, on laptop, on PC, on mobile phone. This is 18px. But EM is a different thing. EM is actually relative to the font size of the parent element. So what I mean by that is we can explain this better if we code this one. So right here, I actually created two boxes. One box is we use 18px, and the other box is we use 2em. So boxes here, the box class here, we have a width of 500px, a height of 200, border, margin, padding, and this is what we want, the font size. So these two boxes has a font size of 18px. But on the second box here, we want to use a font size of 2em. We want to target this P element to have a font size of 2em. Remember that our div here has 18px font size. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I've added live server extension. So we have a server here automatically. So that's it. This is 18px font size, and this is, however, a 2em font size. So that's 2 times the font size of this. The that's what I meant when em is relative to the font size of the parent element. It's relative to the font size of this. So this box here, this div has 18px. So if I have 2em, that's 2 times 18px. If I have 3em, that's 3 times 18px. So that's the behavior of em actually. So let's try to change that to, this would be 1. So let's try to replace the label here. And see that 18px, and this is 1em. So it's just the same size. Let's try to make this 3 times bigger. Actually, text change here. That's just a text. So see, that's 3 times the font size of this. So I hope you've learned something new today. That's actually the difference between pixels and EM. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, or yeah, I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you.